Make sure you know what you're going to be, when you're going to have to come up here for your sound, okay? Ready? First word, hop. Hop.
Hey, I need to go in there.
Alrighty. Hop becomes shop. Good. Shop becomes chop. Chop becomes mop. Mop becomes mob. Mob.
What the? You just had to hop.
Mob becomes moth. Moth. Moth becomes math. Math. Good. Math becomes mash. Mash. Oh. Good. Mash becomes man. Man becomes pan. Pan becomes path. Path. And path becomes bath. Bath. Carter, the word is bath. Thank you. Thank you, we got it. Thank you. Awesome. Very, very good. Callie? Oh, I didn't get. Okay, Callie, can you collect all the cards for us, please? And everybody else just stay in your seat. Oh, good for you. Okay, awesome. Thank you, thank you. Okay. You can sit down and handle your cards. Okay, eyes on me, please. We're going to talk a little bit about phrases and sentences before we go back to our seats to do some of our paperwork.
Cards on Emma's head.
That's all. Okay. Fast ship. Eyes on me. Fast ship. Is that a phrase or a sentence? Is it a phrase or a sentence, Dean?
Excuse me, sentence.
Fast ship?
Phrase.
Phrase. It doesn't get, thank you, honey. It doesn't say a complete idea. Now, if I said, I went on a fast ship, is that a phrase or a sentence?
Sentence.
Sentence, because that's a complete idea. To the park. Phrase or sentence? To the park.
Phrase.
Phrase.
Sentence.
That was a phrase. He went to the park. Phrase or sentence, Brooke?
Sentence.
That is a sentence. Now I'm going to write that sentence on the board. And when you write sentences, there are some very important rules you have to follow. The first word always has to be what? I know you know this. Uppercase, capitalized. He. And before I write the next word, what do I have to make sure I do?
Finger space.
Leave a space. Thank you. He went. I'll leave another space. To, another space. The, and then another space. Park. Now my sentence is done, but there's something else that I need.
Picture.
Well, not a picture clue. What I need?
Period.
A period. What we
Or a
call
stopping
a
point.
stopping point. Because sometimes it's a period, an ending mark. Sometimes it's an exclamation point because what we're saying is exciting.
Mystery point.
Or a mystery point, which we know is a question mark. Okay? But if it's a sentence, it must every time begin with an uppercase letter, and it must every time end with some type of an ending mark. Okay?
Like a question mark
Or an exclamation point. Or period. Very good. Yes, Brady.
I have to go to gymnastics today.
Okay,
too.
well then maybe that's something you can write about later on when we do our writing activity.
I have
Okay, let me explain what you're going to do when you go back to your seats, and then my paper passers will give you your paper. You're going to be printing the, Callie, the S and the Z sound. And you're going to be printing some words that have those sounds. Thin, bath, that, this. So 2 sounds that are blowy and 2 sounds that are buzzy. And then on the back,
We know how to do
you
this.
do know how to do this. You just find the word in the word box that matches the picture clue. And of course, always, always do your best printing. Always. Okay? Thank you. You may go back to your seats, get your pencils out, wait for your paper.